forget to like, share and subscribe.
Hello students, today we are going to discuss extra problem based on inverse of a matrix. Question number 1. If A equal to this, find A inverse. So first find determinant A. Determinant A is equal to expanding along R1. So 1 in bracket 2 4 ja 8, then minus sign, then minus 3 into minus 2 plus 6, then minus sign, then write minus 1, so plus 1, 0, this into this 0, minus 3 into minus 3, minus 9, so plus 9, plus 2, 0 minus 6. Now simplify, 8 minus 6, 2, plus 9 and minus 12. 9 or 2, 11 minus 12 minus 1. So not equal to 0. Now find cofactors of each element. Cofactor of 1, minus 1, 2, 0, 2, minus 3. 3 minus 2 4 is equal to, this is 3 by 3 matrix, so write alternate sign, plus minus plus minus plus minus plus minus plus, then fill in the blanks. Equal to, 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 equal to. Then cofactor of minus 1, cofactor of 2, cofactor of 0, cofactor of 2, cofactor of minus 3, cofactor of 3, cofactor of minus 2 and cofactor of 4. Now cofactor of 1, 8 minus 6, and you can verify also. First one is 8 minus 6, then 0 plus 6. 0 plus 6, just check again, minus 1 का 0 और plus 9, sorry, same, then 2, 0 minus 6, यानी 3 में तो मिस्टेक होगी नहीं आपकी, हमेशा क्रॉस वेरीफाई हो जाएगा. अब ना ओनली रिमेनिंग यहाँ पे आपको आराम से करना ताकि मिस्टेक कम से कम हो. अब ना 0 फिंगर रखो यहाँ पे ताकि ध्यान रहेगा 0, minus 4 plus 4, then 2 के लिए निकालो 4 minus 6, फिर निकालो minus 3 के लिए minus 2 plus 3, फिर उसका निकालोगे आप 3 के लिए 3 minus 4, फिर minus 2 के लिए निकालो minus 3 minus 0 और फिर 4 के लिए 2 minus 0, 8 minus 6 2, minus 9 minus 6 0 minus 2 minus 1 minus 1 plus 3 and plus 2. So these are cofactors. Now write cofactor matrix. Cofactor matrix is equal to 2 minus 9 6 minus 6, sorry, 0 minus 2 minus 1, 0 minus 2 minus 1, minus 1 3 2. Now write adjoint A. Adjoint A is equal to transpose of cofactor matrix. So write transpose of this, 2 minus 9 minus 6, 0 minus 2 minus 1 minus 1 3 2. Now write A inverse. Therefore A inverse is equal to 1 upon determinant A into adjoint A, where determinant A not equal to 0. 1 अपॉन डिटरमिनेंट है, डिटरमिनेंट है इज -1, सो 1 अपॉन -1 और 2 0 -1 -9 -2 3 -6 -1 2. अब नाउ मल्टीप्लाई बाय माइनस साइन, सो -2 0 +1 9 2 -3 6 1 -2. Next problem, question 2. Let A equal to this and B equal to this. Verify that AB inverse equal to B inverse A inverse. First solve any of the side. First find A inverse. Since determinant A is equal to 3 5 ja 15 minus 7 2 ja 14 is equal to 1, not equal to 0. अब now find cofactors of matrix है, means we have to find adjoint है. This is 2 by 2 matrix, so write directly adjoint A is equal to, how can you write adjoint A? Interchanging principal diagonal elements, write 5 here and 3 here and change the sign of remaining element, -2 and -7. So this is adjoint A. Therefore A inverse is equal to 1 upon determinant A into adjoint A, where determinant A not equal to 0. अब determinant A is 1, so write adjoint A as it is. So 5 -2 -7 3. So this is A inverse. अब now find determinant B. Determinant B is equal to 9 6 ja 54 minus 8 7 ja 56 equal to -2, not equal to 0. अब now write adjoint B. Again this is 2 by 2 determinant, so write adjoint B directly, otherwise too much large this question. So adjoint B is equal to interchanging principal diagonal elements, so write 9 here and 6 here. Change the position of 6 and 9 and change the sign of 8 or 7. Therefore B inverse is equal to 1 upon determinant B into adjoint B. अब determinant B is -2, means -1 upon 2, 9 -8 -7 and 6. अब now multiply B inverse into A inverse. B inverse into A inverse is equal to, B inverse is -1 by 2, 9 -7 -8 6 into A inverse. A inverse is 5 -7 -2 or 3. First multiply and then divided by -2, otherwise calculation is tough. So next step is equal to -1 by 2 अब now multiply row by column. 9 5 ja 45 and -8 2 ja -8 into -2 16. So 45 plus 16, then 9 7 ja -63 and -8 3 ja 24. Again check, 9 5 ja 45 and 8 2 ja 16, 9 7 ja 63 and -8 3 ja 24, क्योंकि पेज चेंज हो रहा हमेशा चेक करना चाहिए सीरियसली. -7 5 ja 35 and 6 2 ja 12 -12. Now 7 7 ja 49 plus 18 7 7 जा 49 और 6 3 जा 18. Now simplify. Minus 1 by 2, 45 और 16, 61 minus 47 minus 87 and plus 67. Give equation number 1. अब now find AB inverse. So first find AB. A is equal to 3 2 7 5 and B is equal to 6 7 8 9. अब now write product of these two matrices. 3 6 जा 18 plus 7 7 जा 49, 3 8 जा 24, 9 7 जा 63, 2 6 जा 12, 5 7 जा 35, 2 8 जा 16 and 9 5 जा 45 is equal to 18 plus 49 67, 24 plus 63 87, 16 plus 45 61 and 35 plus 12 47. So this is AB. अब now find determinant AB. Determinant AB is equal to determinant A into determinant B. Determinant A is 1 and determinant B is minus 2, equal to minus 2 not equal to 0. Means inverse of AB exists. अब now find adjoint AB is equal to, कैसे फाइंड करेंगे adjoint AB? Again this is 2 by 2 matrix, so just interchange principal diagonal elements 61 and 67 and sign of remaining elements minus 87 and minus 47. Therefore AB inverse is equal to 1 upon determinant AB into adjoint AB is equal to, determinant AB is minus 2, so minus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 और adjoint AB 61 minus 87 minus 47 और plus 67. अब this is value of AB inverse. Give equation number 2 and this is equation 1. A inverse, sorry, B inverse into A inverse is equal to this. So on comparing, sorry, from equation 1 into AB inverse equal to this. So therefore AB inverse is equal to B inverse into A inverse. Next problem. For the matrix A equal to this, find the numbers A and B such that this equal to 0 matrix. Big 0 or bold 0 represent 0 matrix. A satisfy this equation. So first find value of A square. Since A square is equal to A into A, 3 2 1 1, 3 2 1 1. Now multiply. 3 3 जा 9, 2 into 1 2, 3 2 जा 6, 2 1 जा 2, then 3 और 1, 3 plus 1 and 2 plus 1. So now simplify. 9 or 2 11, 4 8 3. So this is value of A square. Since A square plus small a into capital A plus small b into capital I means identity matrix equal to 0 matrix. Now subtract all the values. A square 11 4 8 3 plus small a into matrix A 3 2 1 1 3 2 1 1 plus small b into identity matrix, because matrix size is 2 by 2, so take identity matrix also 2 by 2. ये simple rule है. Equal to 0 matrix. Now write one more steps. 11 4 8 3 प्लस एक अंदर इंटू करो, क्या मिलेगा 3a 2a a b के अंदर इंटू करो, क्या मिलेगा b 0 0 b इक्वल टू 0 मैट्रिक्स. नेक्स्ट स्टेप, सिंप्लीफाई करो इसको. 11 प्लस 3a प्लस b, 3a प्लस b प्लस 11, a प्लस 0 प्लस 4, so a प्लस 4, 8 प्लस 2a प्लस 0, so 2a प्लस 8, 3 प्लस a प्लस b, 3 plus a plus b equal to 0 matrix. So this is 2 by 2 0 matrix. Now write 2 by 2, because that side 2 by 2 matrix, so right hand side also 2 by 2 matrix. On comparing, a plus 4 equal to 0, so a equal to minus 4. 3a plus b plus 11, 3a plus b plus 11 equal to 0. a equal to minus 4, so 3 into minus 4, minus 12 plus b plus 11 equal to 0. So value of b, minus 12 or 11, minus 1, send that side, so 1. So b equal to 1. And please cross verify also other two elements also. 2a plus 8 equal to 0, so a equal to minus 4, correct answer. And a plus b plus 3 equal to 0, or a equal to minus 4, so 3 minus 4 minus 1, so b equal to 1, so correct. In next video we will take more questions. Thank you, have a nice day.